keeps keeps you constantly abreast of your concerns on the web. Think of an alert system that triggers an alert each time your keyword or a keyword you're interested in is mentioned across the web. So we have 3 monitoring modes: the instant monitor, the automated monitor, and press coverage. Now, press coverage is how you find your publications. Say you run a press release and you want to see how it's done across the internet, you can run press coverage and impute your headline, and of course it scouts the web and gets you all the publication links. For the sake of time, I may not be demoing all of the product. I'll just run through some past reports. Think of, look at this. The Zenith Bank becomes first Nigerian bank to cross 5 trillion market capitalization. A press coverage on this fetched 23 total mentions. But it doesn't just stop at the numbers. Beyond the numbers, we try to help you make sense of the numbers. So beyond just looking at these headlines and what each platform is writing and about the story you've distributed, what can we make of this? So this is an automated report generated by the system. SMT Monitor is a media monitoring system, social listening capabilities, and media analytics backed by AI. It helps you keep an eye on the web for subjects you're interested in. Something close to Google Alerts, but with a lot more capabilities. We have 3 monitoring modes for SMT Monitor: the instant monitor, the press coverage, and the automated monitor. The automated monitoring system allows you monitor keywords. You're a brand manager, you're a brand communication manager, and you want to know what the media says about your CEO. You could set up an automated monitoring system that alerts you based on predefined keywords. Say your manager, CEO of one prominent company here, Zenith Bank, you could set up an automated monitoring system that allows you monitor each time that CEO's name is mentioned. It doesn't just monitor that, it analyzes the nature of the comment or the mention, positive, negative, neutral, and negative sentiments triggers an alert, letting you know that, notifying you of a developing story you might want to pay attention to. Next is the press instant monitor. Instant monitor allows you run a quick search. While the automated monitoring runs in the background and can run for a length of time, the instant monitor allows you run a quick search across any keyword you are interested in. So if I click on new monitoring system here, I can select any of the monitoring modes I'm interested in. So give me any prominent name. Tony Elumelu, thank you. Tony Elumelu. You could add other context to beef up your search keywords. And if we run this search, the system quickly runs through the web across multiple platforms, multiple channels, fetch every possible mention within the last 30 days or within the time. You can also set the look back period you want to see. Here I'm seeing 11 mentions, very recent mentions. If you view full result, you could see we have 11 mentions, 7 of which are positive, 1 negative, 3 neutral. It doesn't just end with the numbers. You could generate report and see why this these numbers are the way they are, with a detailed summary of the keywords you're tracking. This same process can be automated, a set it and forget it kind of system. Set up your keyword, set up your duration, and you're good to go. For each mention, for each new mention the system identifies, it triggers you an email or using your preferred notification channel. Another one here is a press coverage, which allows you to run a search on your distribution. You just sent out a press release, and you want to see how well the release is doing. You don't have to call your journalist or contact to start asking them, guy, how far you don't publish. You run a press coverage, and simple, it fetches all the coverage so far for for the press release you've sent out. These are very recent releases sent out. I'm trying to run through because of time, because we're still demoing 2.0 SquirrelPR. So it fetches your dimensions and gives you a report you can easily export and distribute to your line manager or whoever needs to see the report. Essentially reducing your workload by more than 90%, and all the time you would have spent chasing editors trying to find out if your news went live or not. One interesting thing about SMT Monitor compared to the other players is our pay-as-you-use system. For SMT Monitor, we have the subscription model, but of course we understand that it is not every time you want to monitor one keyword or the other. So we have a system that allows you just spend as much as you want to spend. Think of this event where we are in, the SquirrelPR launch event, and we want to keep an eye on it for the next 1 week. I do not need to buy an annual subscription just to monitor a situation for 1 week. SMT Monitor allows you to buy a token, just as much as your budget can carry. Think of the Facebook ad budget system. Set your budget, set the duration, and you're good to go. The system gets to work and notifies you each time your keyword of interest is triggered. That's essentially SMT Monitor, a game changer in the media monitoring space. I think you should try it out. It's live, smtmonitor.com. Another tool we want to demo today is the revamped SquirrelPR. For some of us here who may have used SquirrelPR, and for those who want to try it out, this is our new SquirrelPR platform, a great departure from what it used to be from 1.0. Welcome to SquirrelPR 2.0. This is the new and revamped SquirrelPR 2.0. What is different? A lot. From the AI press release generator to an expanded contact list, which is constantly vetted by our systems, and the reporting systems. Our press release generator allows you to generate a press release using AI, and then sample the different views, the different view angles of the release. You could also do language translations with the press release generator, and there are so many possibilities on the SquirrelPR platform, from media discovery to engaging the media via instant messaging to collaborating with your team. It's a multi-user platform that allows you to collaborate with your team from anywhere across the globe. We also have the message center, the messaging system that allows you engage the media one-on-one. An example is this. I can start a messaging, and by a simple click, right, engage all of the media contacts all at once. Thousands of them. You could pick as many persons as. You can see some of these are in different countries. Egypt. And we have contact lists across all 53 countries in Africa. You can engage any of these media persons straight from the SquirrelPR dashboard without leaving your seat. So another thing with SquirrelPR 2.0 is the project management, the introduction of the project management system. In 1.0, you just dish out press releases with a little bit of coordination, but we have taken that a bit higher, allowing you to structure your distributions. Consider this product launch as an event, and all the media communications, all the communications you're sending out regarding this particular event, the ranked launch, is supposed to be collected into an entity. So we created the project. I can start a new project here and title it SquirrelPR Launch Event. And when I've done that, every other distribution I want to do can be done under this launch event, giving you a great deal of organization and coordination. If I'm shooting a press release with this, those who media communications and media comms practitioners will understand that sometimes trying to find a particular, you've engaged the media on a particular subject and you are not very sure how to find, you start looking trying to search here and there. Our project system allows you to collect all of this distribution into distinct entities for easy conversation. We also have the PR, the aspect of this platform for PR agencies. At the moment, I am logged in as a business user, but PR agencies also have the client management interface, allowing you to streamline your PR operations from media events to media distribution to media discovery per client. It also allows you to assign these clients to account managers, effectively helping you have a more robust operating system. Our goal as SquirrelPR is to be the core operating system for PRA in Africa, which is why we're constantly enhancing the product with capabilities beyond the very slim vision we started with, which was just to allow people send bulk press releases. Ladies and gentlemen, this is SquirrelPR 2.0. You're welcome to try it out at new.squirrelpr.com.